To do the hip snap for a low brace, I like to start out with a paddle close to the chest, blades flat to the water. Use your knees, rock the boat like this. Keep the paddle steady, don't move the paddle. That's just an exercise, a drill. Harder, use your knees, nice. When you're doing a low brace, your hip snap will look something like this. So you're bending from side to side, using your core muscles, raising your knee on one side and then the other, back and forth. Except that's just a drill. When you're doing it for the brace, you'll just be doing it one time and lifting one knee like that one time. You can tip the boat up to about here where the water's just about touching the edge of your spray skirt and the boat's keeping you up. But if you wanted to go any further than that, then you have to brace or you'll fall over.